5, 6, 7, 8.
Hello everybody and welcome to Meet the Cast of A Chorus Line.
Woo!
Let's go. Also, this is one of the dressing rooms, room 3, and this is where you can see the stage.
So exciting.
You can come up here and see the show. How cool is that?
So
We've got one
cool.
of the mirrors.
Preview of the costumes over there.
We have our first cast member. Hello!
Hi guys, hi Tommy T's vlog.
What's your name?
My name's Larissa,
And what is your role in the show?
and I'm playing Vicky.
Oh, that's so awesome. I literally loved all of your acting parts
Thank you.
in the opening. That was so fun. I literally loved it.
Thank you.
It was so good. Do you like being in chorus line?
I do like being in the chorus line. It's very jazzy, techy.
Yeah, oh, it was just amazing.
And there's a bit of ballet in it as well.
Yeah, just everything. So iconic. Just like you. Guys, this is where they have all their props out. Also, look here. This is where I got them some sweets and a card. Hello! What is your name?
Chloe.
And what's your role in the show?
I'm Judy. I'm Judy Turner.
And what's your number?
I don't remember. I don't remember my number at all.
Because it was on your back.
Yeah! Silly me!
Oh my gosh, you were so good at your character. Like, your character's so good.
Thanks! Not many people think so, but...
You're just so awesome. You're so good.
Oh, thanks.
Well done.
Thank you!
Okay. Hello!
Hello.
What is your name?
Eloy.
And what's your role in the show?
Headband boy.
Yeah, oh my gosh, that was so funny. They were like, keep your head up, and your head was so down. It was so funny though. You were so good at acting that part. Well done. Hello.
Hi.
What is your name?
Meg.
And what role do you play in the show?
play Maggie Winslow.
Oh, and you were so good.
Oh, thanks.
In At the Ballet, that was your awesome, so good. I loved that part. And then when the big part, and then at the ballet, and then all the people came running on, and there was ballet, and then it was so good. That was like the best part.
Oh, thanks.
So well done. Hello, what is your name?
I'm Yasmin.
And what's your role in the show?
Ensemble stage singer.
I loved all the ensemble parts, the opening and the at ballet and the one singular sensation. Guys,
yeah.
chorus line was one singular sensation.
It was good, wasn't it? Oh, thank you, Tamsin.
You were literally so good.
So small. It's tiny. This is Tiny Town.
No.
It's like a little pea, but it rotates on its own.
Yeah, and you can do this, look. Wow. A little bit round.
So now you're like a proper YouTuber.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, here we have, what's your name?
I'm Jasmine.
And what role do you play in the show?
I play Christine.
And you were so good.
H2O, yeah.
Such a good actress.
Oh, thanks. I could never really sing, but I couldn't do it. Sing. I said the wrong word.
Sing.
Oh, she said the wrong words.
No, you were so good. Literally love it. And also, your video, you did like second in your head. Yes, oh my god.
Wait, Evie, stop Hawkins. Oh, there we have it. Good. What is it?
It's a camera. Hello.
Hi.
What is your name?
Evie.
And what role do you play in the show?
Trisha.
And
Cassie.
yeah, I cover Cassie. Oh my gosh. And oh, that's your number. I love your outfit. So cool. But oh my gosh, I loved your solo when you were like,
I really need this job.
yeah, oh, you were literally so good.
Oh, thanks, appreciate that.
Oh my gosh, hello.
Hi.
What is your name?
Samuel.
And what role do you play in the show?
Valerie Clark.
Valerie Clark?
Yeah.
Wait, I thought you did I Can Do That.
I'm joking. I play Ike.
Oh my
My
gosh,
caster.
you were so good.
Thank you so much.
Can you show us a bit of I Can Do That? Yeah.
I could do that.
Dun dun! Yay! Hello.
Hello.
What is your name?
My name is Maia Hawkins.
And who do you play in the show?
Cassie.
And you were outstanding! Literally, the music and the mirror.
You was the music and the mirror.
You were amazing in that mirror.
Thank you.
It was.
Yeah, just in the mirror, not
Yeah.
in the mirror.
No, not just just in the mirror.
In the music as well, Tamsin.
In the music and the mirror.
Thank you, sis.
But
Love
yeah,
you.
I
Thank
love
you for all
you.
our sweets and chocolates, alright, and our card.
You were awesome.
Love you.
Yeah. Hello. What is your name? And what's your role in the show?
I'm an ensemble member.
And
Guys, I was getting to it. And Lola.
and dance captain. Oh, I love that when you had like the feathers.
Thank you.
And you're like showgirl.
Do you want me to give you a tour of all my costumes?
Yes. Oh my gosh. Yes,
So
please.
I have all these costumes.
Wow.
So sis, this is my opening costume, and I've got a little leopard print
So
belt.
cool.
Yeah, that was that one.
That is
And
so
this
cool.
is my favourite. I just think it's cool.
They're at the ballet.
It's so nice.
I loved when you came on for At the Ballet.
Thank you.
That was just really,
I
really
ripped
cool.
it.
Oh
There's a
no.
little bit of a hole there, sis.
Oh.
Then
Oops.
I have this one with my stripper shorts.
Oh, yeah, they were really cool. They looked really good.
Yeah. And then this is my favourite, my diversity coat.
Oh.
I wear this to move the mirror. Do you want me to see? Do you want to see it on?
Yeah. Oh.
I am ready.
Oh, you have awesome costumes. Thank you. Bye. Hello.
Hi.
What is your name?
Jack.
And what role do you play in the show?
Mark Anthony.
It was so good when you were like shouting that. That was so funny. And your character was just so awesome. You were so cool. Okay. Bye, Jack.
Can I do one for you?
Okay.
Hi Tamsin.
Hello.
Who do you play in a chorus line?
I am
Audience member.
audience member number one.
Brilliant. Fan number.
Fan number one.
Oh, lovely. And
And
cheerer and clapper and.
cheerleader.
CE13.
And the most enthusiastic and proud member.
Motivational.
Well done, Tamsin.
Humble.
What's your name?
Humble.
Michael.
And who do you play in the show?
Zach.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, that was so cool. Wait, can you tell me, how did it work? Because it literally sounded like you were at the top, but where were you?
Misdirection. It's a secret. It's a secret.
It's a secret. Oh
I
my
can't
gosh,
tell you. I can't tell you.
crazy guys. It's a secret. Well done, you were awesome. Whoa, that looks so cool. Hello.
Hi,
What is your name?
Zoe.
And who do you play in the show?
Laura / Larry.
Oh,
It's Laura.
that was so cool. Like you're the assistant, right?
Yeah, I'm Zach's assistant.
Yeah. And it was so cool. You were like,
She's got to get everything right, basically.
yeah.
Too much pressure, is it?
You were like holding the audition
I was.
and like looking at your like and looking at the like paper.
Yeah, it's quite a stressful job actually.
Oh my gosh. Well, you did it amazingly.
Thanks so much.
Should I put shoes
Bye.
on?
Bye. Oh, what are you watching over here? Bit of Romeo and Juliet.
Before the show.
Awesome. I literally love that movie so much. Oh my gosh, cool. What's your name?
Hi, my name is Liberty.
And who do you play in the show?
I play the role of Stephanie.
That's so awesome. I literally love the show so much. She was so cool. Hello.
Hello.
What is your name?
I play Roxanne. I gave that name to myself. Yeah, we've named ourselves.
That's so cool. Oh, your name's on the mirrors. That's so cool. In the audition, getting ready, you're stretching your leg, aren't you? Whoa!
Cheer in a hill.
So, what is your name?
Jack.
And who do you play in the show?
I play Don Kerr.
Awesome! It was so good. How does it feel to be in such an iconic musical?
It's my favourite musical actually.
Oh my gosh! It's just a dream come
Yeah,
true.
so it's like a little dream come true, and then we've only got 2 days left, so it's
Oh,
really sad.
no.
But
Have an amazing last couple shows.
thanks.
Bye! What is your name?
Ben.
And who do you play in the show?
Ben.
Role in the show.
Dance captain.
And you're an amazing dance captain because the dancing looks incredible.
Because everyone's arms got
And
a bit
you're
different.
87?
I'm 87. That's why I've got this.
a mic as well.
Yeah. I don't have any lines, but I have a mic. So.
That's so cool. What is your name?
My name's Dora.
And what role do you play in the show?
I'm playing Diana. Ta-da! That's my sticker.
Awesome. And what is your favourite line in the show?
I like the ending when I do the monologue bit and
Yeah.
then I say, but then I meet somebody and they say to me, wow, you danced on Broadway, how fabulous!
That's so cool. You did an amazing job.
Thanks.
Bye. Hello.
Hi.
What is your name?
Sophie.
And who do you play in the show?
I play Sheila.
Oh, that's so awesome. You were literally incredible.
Thank you.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
What is your favourite dance move in the show?
This one. Like the layout.
You know who did do that so well? Bobby.
Stuart.
What's your favourite line in the show?
I knew it when I was at the front.
Whole performance as Sheila was just
The bitch.
incredible. You were incredible. Like, everyone is so good at acting. So yeah, well done.
Girl.
You've come so far. I know, it's a gimbal.
That's so cool.
And you've got your headband on.
Yay!
Okay, hello, what is your name?
My name is Stuart Jenkins.
And what role do you play in the show?
Play Bobby.
Oh, you were so good.
Thank you so much.
Well done, you're number 84.
84, yeah, lucky number.
And you were amazing in that audition.
Oh, thank you so much. I mean, I did get
Actually-
kept all the way to the end,
Yeah.
so I'm glad.
Well done. How does it feel to be in such an amazing musical?
Oh, it's honestly such a bliss, and it's been so much fun.
What's your favourite line in the show?
My favourite line is probably Mark when he says gonorrhea, but he like doesn't say it.
Oh,
He, like,
yeah.
goes, "Okay."
Do you want to come and set my costume with me?
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Everyone's getting in their costumes. Right, let's go. I got you guys a card.
Yeah.
My costume here.
No problem. Akuna Matata. So you just set it here.
Yeah.
You get quick change so quickly. I was amazed.
Wow. Yeah, we're speedy.
A little bit backstage.
Do you want to have a look?
Oh my gosh.
Looking at
Some more costumes. Oh, and then there's me. Hello.
After you tell me.
This is the stage. Whoa! Oh my gosh. People getting ready. Hello. What is your name?
My name is Elliot Lucas.
And what is your role in the show?
I'm number 66 and my name is Roy in the show.
Oh, awesome. That is so cool. You are literally outstanding.
Thanks.
And I love the show.
Hi.
What is your name?
Molly Coles.
And what is your role in the show?
Ensemble number 22. No! Am I 22? Yeah, 22.
I don't know about you, but I'm feeling 22.
I'm actually 22, so it all works.
Awesome. Well done.
Hello.
Hello, what is your name?
Kitty.
And what's your role in the show?
Number 48, a ballerina and a singular sensation.
Yes, you are a singular sensation. Can you tell me what is your favourite dance move in the show? Well, show me what it is.
No, I think it is probably.
The crowd goes crazy, wild, cheers everywhere because you were amazing. Bye, Kitty. I love ya. What is your name?
Hello, my name's Eve.
And what's your role in the show?
Ensemble of Stage Singer number 29.
Cool. Thank you. Hello. What is your name?
My name's James.
And what is your role in the show?
I'm Butch. That's my name.
Cool.
Don't know what that means really, but it's fun.
Your favourite dance move in the show?
I do quite like the leap turn. The turning leap.
Yeah.
The calypso.
Oh, I love that one.
I love a calypso.
Hello. What is your name? And what's your role in the show? That is so awesome. You are literally outstanding. Can we play a quick game? Can we play Guess a Look? Okay, ready? So, 1.
singular sensation. Every little step she takes.
Hello. Hi. What is your name?
Alicia.
And what is your role in the show?
I'm in the ensemble, number 16, and I'm called Ruby.
Ooh, cool.
Thank you.
Well done.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hi.
What is your name?
My name is Kieran O'Donnell.
And what's your role in the show?
I play Paul San Marco.
And you were literally incredible.
Oh, thank you, Thompson.
You're such a good actor.
Oh, thank you.
What is your favourite dance move in the show?
Oh, that's a good one.
Myself. This one.
That was the first one that came to mind, but I think it's when we do step, 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 whack. That's such a
Yes!
yeah, step boot. And then, like, I can always see the audience faces and they're like,
Yeah!
they live for that bit. Oh, yeah, Yeah.
Awesome! Well done, Kieran.
Thank you, Thompson.
Hello. What is your name?
I'm Christine. I'm playing Connie from the show.
Oh, awesome! I love your outfit.
I'm the year of the chicken.
The year of the chicken.
The year of the chicken.
4 for 10. I remember when everybody was my side. Boy, was that great. Yeah, I know. Thank you.
Oh, you're awesome! Hello.
What's good? What's good?
What's your name?
My name is Maia.
And what's your role in the show?
I play Richie.
And what is your favourite line in the show?
Favorite line is
Hit it, Richie.
I'm black. That's my favorite line.
And give me the ball, give me the ball. I love that part.
Do you like it?
Yeah,
I'm glad
you
you
were
liked
really
it.
good.
Thank you, man.
Bye, Micah. Hey, what is your name?
My name's George.
And what's your role in the show?
I play Gregory Gardner.
And what's your real name?
My real name is Sidney Kenneth Beckenstein, but my Jewish name is Rachmel Lev Ben Yaakov Meir Beckenstein.
That's so awesome. What's your favourite dance move in the show?
This one.
Yeah!
Goodbye 12.
Goodbye 13. Hello, love.
Yeah.
Woo! Hello.
Hello.
What is your name?
My name is Sam Parsons.
And what is your role in the show?
I'm Al DeLuca.
Awesome. And what's your favourite dance move in the show?
My favourite dance move is definitely this.
Yeah! Thank you.
Before. The behind the scenes of Trudy's tits. So, surprise, they're not actually real. It's all an illusion. This is a secret, Tammy. Like, this is a secret.
Okay. I can keep secrets.
Sure. It's not that you're recording or anything.
What's your favourite line in the show?
Oh. You bitch. Oh, yeah. I heard that, you bitch.
Have a good show, guys.
See you later. See you out there.
See you later.
So I got a flower and it's purple.
Yeah, he's got really cool trousers.
Hi.
What's your favourite line in the show?
Seeing Daddy naked.
What's your favourite dance move in the show?
That one.
What is your name?
I'm Maddie.
And what's your role in the show?
So I'm the ensemble and I'm number 25.
Number 25. I love your outfit so much.
Thank you. And offstage singer.
And offstage singer. Yeah, the singing was incredible. So well done, guys. So good.
Thanks, Dad.
And I just want to ask you, what is your favourite dance move in the show?
Oh, it's got to be 1.
Yay! 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay! So who's your favourite character in the show?
It's Judy Turner.
Me? Oh my god!
The cast of A Chorus Line, you can do that because you were awesome. What did you think?
I thought it was really, really good.
You got flowers?
I'm excited to say well done to my friends.
You got
One, yeah. Singular sensation. There you go.
That's what A Chorus Line was. One singular sensation.
One. That's what it was.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm shaking.
This is how I can explain chorus line. One singular sensation. This cast is absolutely awesome. And they can do that. See you later.